solve the compound inequality, give the solution in interval notation. Here we have two inequalities. This 5 times x plus 2 less than or equal to 4 times x plus 1, and 11 plus x less than 0. So let's go ahead and rewrite both of these in a simpler form. This second one is probably the easiest one to rewrite, so let's rewrite that one first. Let's just go ahead and subtract 11 from both sides, and we see that x has to be less than negative 11. Right? This other one, if we want to write it in this nicer form, x less than something, x greater than something, x less than or equal to something, x greater than or equal to something, we need to multiply through our 5. So we get, we get 5 times x plus 2 times 10, or 2 times 5, 10, less than or equal to, multiply through my 4, 4 times x plus 4. All right, now we can go ahead and subtract 4x from both sides. 4x from here, that goes away. 4x from there, that's just a 1x. Let's subtract 10 from both sides. Subtract 10 from here, that goes away. Subtract 10 from 4, we're left with a negative 6. So we have x less than or equal to negative 6. Let's go ahead and graph that on a number line. Here is negative 6. X less than or equal to that. Let me get a color. X less than or equal to that. All this stuff over there. And less than or equal to, so we get to include 6, so I'll use a closed dot. Our other the other x values we want are these x less than 11, negative 11, sorry. So here's negative 11, and I want x's again less than that. This time I do not get to include 11. So I put a circle around that one, open circle. All right, we want and, right? That means that I would like to have both this condition satisfied and that condition satisfied. So if I have an x value that meets this and that, that means that this x value is not only in the purple region, but it's also in the green region. The area that does that is that stuff, right? Which is exactly the same as just the green region by itself. So this and that give me this interval here from negative infinity all the way over on the left, negative infinity all the way up to negative 11. Do not get to include negative 11, never get to include positive or negative infinity. So here is the interval notation solution. It corresponds just to the x less than negative 11, right? This included all the points in there. So when we took both this and that, that characterized the entire intersection of those two sets.